Hello Year 4s and welcome to your maths for day 2. Today we're going to look at some correspondence problems. We're going to create a 2-course menu with a choice of 3 main courses and 3 desserts. We're going to find out how many different possible meals you could have. What would you choose from main course, vegetable lasagna, cheesy pizza or cheeseburger? Dessert, ice cream, apple tart or jelly? I think if it was me, I would go for vegetable lasagna with apple tart and maybe ask for a sneaky scoop of ice cream on the apple tart. Not sure I'm allowed that at this option, but that's if I was in a restaurant. We should list the possibilities systematically. Start with vegetable lasagna. Vegetable lasagna with ice cream. Vegetable lasagna with apple tart. Vegetable lasagna with jelly. That's 3 different meal options. What if you had a cheesy pizza or a cheeseburger for your main course? How many possible meals for each? How many possible meals in total? Is there a quick way to find out the answer? Pause the video now and have a go at jotting your ideas down before we move on. Try not to have a peek at the spoiler hidden at the bottom. Okay, let's see how you got on. Let's have a peek now at the spoilers now they've been spun round for you. There would be 3 meals with cheesy pizza, 3 meals with cheeseburger, and 3 meals with lasagna. That's 9 different meals in total. A quick way to find the answer is to multiply the number of main courses by the number of starters. That's our quick way. Great, let's move on to a slightly harder problem now. We're going to create a 2-course menu with a choice of 4 main courses and 3 desserts using your suggestions of your favourite foods. Have a little think about what you like and you could get a pencil and paper and jot some things down. We're going to find out how many different possible meals you could have at our cafe. So jot down on your sheet 4 main courses and 3 desserts of your favourite meals or your family's favourite meals. You can either do that in your maths books or on a piece of paper. Pause the video while you go and get them and write them down. Okay, let's move on. You could have the first main course with the first dessert, or you could have the first main course with the second dessert, or you could have the first main course with the third dessert. How many is that? That's right, it's 3. Can you suggest an estimate for how many different combinations there might be? Write it on your page now or speak it to the screen. Okay, fantastic. How many combinations are there with the second main course? Well, you could have the second main course with the first dessert, second main course with the second dessert, second main course with the third dessert. And with the third main course? And with the fourth main course. And so, how many different meal combinations are there altogether? What's the relationship between this answer and the one we looked at before? Or this answer and the 2 numbers we started with? 2-course meal with 4 main courses and 3 desserts. What if we added 2 starters to the menu? What would you think that the numbers could be now? Would there be more possibilities? Okay, now we're going to move on to something new. We're going to do an investigation today into ice cream. And this is linked into your work today where you'll be doing ice creams. I don't know what your favourite flavour of ice cream is, but mine from Just Ice that we went and had a try of earlier in the year was their banoffee. I know everybody's got a different favourite flavour, and maybe you could say your favourite flavour to the screen right now. Maybe we're all feeling a little bit hot today. It is when I'm recording it, it's a hot day, but maybe when you're watching it, it's a bit cold. But any day is a good day for ice cream. An ice cream van sells 4 flavours of ice cream: vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and honeycomb. They give the option of selling 2 scoops, one on top of the other on a cone. Let's investigate how many different combinations of 2 scoops there are. There are 2 things to remember. You can have a double scoop of the same flavour. Chocolate with vanilla above is definitely different to vanilla with chocolate above, so should be considered a different option. Okay, pause the video and see what you can come up with. Okay, so in your maths folder, you will find the worksheets on ice creams and toppings. This will be your next activity. I want you to go and have a look at it and see what. Let's talk through the answers you've got. If we remember working systematically, when I did it, I started with vanilla first. So I went vanilla chocolate, vanilla strawberry, vanilla honeycomb, vanilla vanilla. Then I did chocolate, chocolate vanilla, chocolate strawberry. Let's see how you got on. When I did it, remember, let's see how you got on. Did you remember to work systematically? When I did it, I started with vanilla and I had, when I did it, I had vanilla chocolate, vanilla strawberry, vanilla honeycomb, and then vanilla vanilla. Then I went to chocolate, chocolate vanilla, chocolate strawberry, chocolate honeycomb, chocolate chocolate. And then I did strawberry. I hope you're getting to see. The first 2, there were 4 of each. Strawberry vanilla, strawberry chocolate, strawberry honeycomb, strawberry strawberry, another 4. And yep, you guessed it, 4 of the honeycomb varieties. Honeycomb vanilla, honeycomb chocolate, honeycomb strawberry, honeycomb honeycomb. And yep, you guessed it, 4 of the honeycomb. Honeycomb vanilla, honeycomb chocolate, honeycomb, and yes, you guessed it, 4 of the honeycomb. Honeycomb vanilla, honeycomb chocolate, honeycomb strawberry, and honeycomb honeycomb. What's that all together? 4 add 4 add 4 add 4, or 4 times 4 is 16 different varieties. Delicious. I don't think we could eat them all in one day without being a little bit poorly. Okay, let's look at what you're going to be doing in your workbooks today. You're going to be looking at combinations of a scoop of ice cream with some sprinkles. There are 2 different levels. There is the mild and there is the hot. And then if you're a bit stuck after doing those, there is also the I'm a bit stuck, which is looking at different items of clothing combined together. And if you're finding those really easy and you're having a lot of fun, there's also an investigation that you can try. Go away and have fun, and hopefully the sun will be shining and you can have an ice cream of your own.